Is it time to buy or sell SoundHound AI stock? In this video, we will explore SoundHound AI in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 8th of April, 2025, and we are now here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You definitely do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 26th of March, 2025, our system has ranked SoundHound AI as a strong sell candidate, assigning it a score of -6.91. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time. The stock has seen a decline of 23.45%. This equates to an average daily loss of 2.35% since it was categorized as a strong sell candidate. The stock is currently positioned within a broad and declining trend in the short term, indicating further potential decreases ahead. The present 3-month trend indicates a possible change of nearly 47% decline over the next 3 months, with a potential return fluctuating between approximately 64% and 32%. Examining the longer term, our 12-month analysis points to a projected change of 65%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from 65% to over 524% in the upcoming year. In today's terms, this would place the future price between $11.85 and $44.86. Our latest daily update for SoundHound AI includes the headline, Significant Movements in SoundHound AI Inc. stock price on Tuesday, moving 19.13% between high and low. The SoundHound AI Inc. stock price decreased by 5.53% on the last trading day, which was Tuesday, the 8th of April, 2025. The stock fell from $7.60 to $7.18. During that trading day, the stock fluctuated by 19.13%, with a low of $7 and a high of $8.34. It has declined in 7 of the last 10 days, totaling a decrease of 29.61% over this period. Interestingly, the trading volume also decreased on this day, which is typically a positive indicator, as volume should align with stock movements. On the last day, trading volume dropped by 2 million shares, resulting in a total of 31 million shares traded, valued at approximately $223,006,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached $24.98, while the lowest was $3.50. Currently, the price stands at 71.26%, or $17.80, below the 52-week high of $24.98, which is also the all-time high for the stock. SoundHound AI Inc., trading under the symbol SOUN, is currently facing significant legal challenges following multiple class action lawsuits alleging violations of securities law. These lawsuits, led by several prominent law firms, focus on claims that the company may have misled investors between the 10th of May, 2024, and the 3rd of March, 2025. As these legal developments unfold, shareholders who have experienced losses are being urged to join the lawsuits by the upcoming deadline of the 27th of May, 2025. Notably, SoundHound stock has plummeted by approximately 62% this year, indicating a bearish sentiment surrounding the company despite its reported strong growth in certain areas. The combination of falling stock prices and legal troubles raises concerns about the company's short-term performance. Investors may be wary of further declines, especially since the lawsuits could result in significant financial liabilities or settlements. In the long term, the outcome of these lawsuits and the company's ability to address the allegations will be crucial. A successful resolution might restore some investor confidence, potentially stabilizing the stock price. Conversely, ongoing legal disputes could hinder the company's prospects, leading to sustained volatility and prompting more selling pressure among shareholders. Overall, this situation creates a climate of uncertainty for SoundHound AI that could impact its stock price, both in the near term and over the longer horizon. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, the 18th of September, 2024, it was reported that H.C. Wainwright assigned SOUN a grade of underperform with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 18th of September, 2024, it was reported that Wedbush assigned SOUN a grade of buy with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 18th of September, 2024, it was reported that H.C. Wainwright assigned SOUN a grade of buy with a hold action. On Friday, the 9th of August, 2024, it was reported that Wedbush assigned SOUN a grade of outperform with a hold action. On Friday, the 9th of August, 2024, it was reported that Cantor Fitzgerald assigned SOUN a grade of overweight with an upgrade action. Analysts have assigned SoundHound AI stock a general strong sell rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts also rate the stock as strong sell. The following signals have been identified for SoundHound AI. Currently, there are few to no positive technical signals. The stock of SoundHound AI Inc. is showing sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a more negative outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general sell signal resulting from the relationship between the two averages, where the long-term average is positioned above the short-term average. In the event of upward corrections, resistance levels are anticipated at $7.91 and $9.34. A breakout above either of these levels would generate buy signals. A sell signal was triggered from a pivot top point on Friday, the 14th of March, 2025, with the stock having declined by 30.56% since then. Further declines are suggested until a new bottom pivot is established. Furthermore, there is presently a sell signal indicated by the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Volume has decreased in tandem with the price during the last trading day, which mitigates overall risk as volume typically aligns with price movements. Here are some additional signals you might find intriguing. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal from 18 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal from 11 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 56 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 59 days ago. When examining the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, sell signal from 11 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 38 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal from 24 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for SoundHound AI. Currently, there is no support from accumulated volume below today's level, and under the right conditions, the stock may experience significant declines in the coming days. This stock exhibits considerable daily movement, characterized by high volatility, and the wide prediction interval from the Bollinger Band indicates a classification of high risk. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated by $1.34 between its highest and lowest points, representing a change of 19.13%. In the last week, the stock demonstrated an average daily volatility of 16.52%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for SoundHound AI, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important ratio measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company has negative earnings or is losing money. Even well-established companies can go through downturns, often due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may suggest insufficient profits and potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the next earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is expected on the 8th of May, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at -7 cents. Keep an eye on these numbers, as they can significantly impact stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for SoundHound AI. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for SoundHound AI is at $7.60. If you do not hold any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already own the stock, This could serve as a consideration point for swing trading. There is a lack of significant support from accumulated volume below, which indicates that the stock might experience a sharp decline under certain circumstances. Exercise caution and consider making moves only if you are an experienced trader who knows how to navigate such situations. The combined average rating for SoundHound AI from multiple analyst sources is a strong sell. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. On March 20th, 2025, James Ming Ham conducted an insider sale of 28,388 shares of Class A common stock. On March 24th, 2025, James Ming Ham conducted an insider sale of 51,196 shares of Class A common stock. On March 20th, 2025, Kevin Mohajer conducted an insider sale of 118,605 shares of Class A common stock. On March 24th, 2025, Kevin Mohajer conducted an insider sale of 138,895 shares of Class A common stock. On March 20th, 2025, Nitesh Sharan conducted an insider sale of 48,639 shares of Class A common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be negative with a ratio of negative 10.809. Overall, insiders purchased 6,311,191 shares and sold 6,944,269 shares in the last 100 trades. Our assessment of this stock is unfavorable, and there is currently no stop loss in place. Is SoundHound AI stock a good buy? SoundHound AI Inc. currently presents several negative signals and is situated within a broad and downward trend. Therefore, we anticipate that it will likely perform weakly in the upcoming days or weeks. As a result, we maintain a negative evaluation of this stock. Given some minor weaknesses in the technical analysis, we have revised our assessment for this stock from a sell to a strong sell candidate since our last evaluation. After examining the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 9th of April, we expect SoundHound AI to open higher by approximately 32.6 cents and begin trading at $7.51. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information, you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at StockInvest.